This edition of MacVoices is sponsored by lynda.com, the unparalleled online video training library. For a free 10-day unlimited trial, visit lynda.com/MacVoices. Hi, I'm Chuck Joyner. This is MacVoices at ShowStoppers at NAB in Las Vegas. I'm with Hyung here talking about 4SCTV, their new product that they're announcing right here, right now. Nice to see you.
Yeah, nice seeing you.
So what is 4SCTV?
Yeah, it stands for 4-Screen Enhanced TV. So I wanted to bring a brand new TV experience to home. I know a lot of people love the technology, loves touch screen interface. A lot of people already spend a lot of money buying a large screen TV, an iPad, and smartphones and all that stuff. So I'm kind of combining all those and bringing in a whole new TV experience. Okay, so that's the product I have. So you can see 4 broadcasted content on your iPad, real easy interface, all touch interface. And once you choose the 4 channels that you want, you can then project that to your big screen TV that you already have. That could be 10-year-old TV, but we can support having this kind of functionality on your old TV.
So I've got basically a video wall going over here of 4 different channels.
Yes.
And you're pulling those just from over the air?
So all those channels are over the air, so that's our phase 1 plan, utilizing over the air channels so that you can have that content inside your home.
So I don't have any option right now if I wanted to say plug my cable in to this yet?
No, not yet, but cable industry and satellite, they're also moving towards allowing consumer products to pull the content so that you can use your own iPad and own TV and things like that. So that's called a VD path from the LNA. So once that's available and they get opened up, then I can also pull that content as an IP and as one of the inputs to be used. So that's something that I could do when industry moves down that direction. Yeah, but I think today there are a lot of good content over the air, especially in the United States. So I think that's something that we can utilize. And I want to bring this experience that nobody really delivers, and we all have a big screen TV and touch screen devices. Right?
Now, a lot of people in my audience are going to be familiar with the Apple TV, taking their iPad and throwing the signal up there. So let's walk through this. We obviously have an over-the-air antenna, and it feeds to what? A box that you built?
This is the box that we've built. Yeah, so right now we have a little portable antenna. You could use your own antenna. So all the video feed comes in here. So this box inside that I can capture that video, and then I can decode them, and I can make it into single or 4 outputs. And then that goes on to an Ethernet port that goes into a router. And then it's just your iPad connected to your router. Then you will do all the connections, all the channel changes, volume changes, all that right on your iPad with touchscreen.
That's great. So this is it. This is all I need and plug into my own network.
Yes, exactly. So all really simple interface. You got an RF connector there for the antenna. You got an Ethernet connector, and then you got a power. So I got 2 devices that's working right now. You can see there are 3 connectors, right? So that's all I have. And then here is what I'm getting. Right, so this guy right now getting all the content out of this little box. Yeah, so that's what you can experience by having this box and your own iPad, your own TV, into your connected to a router.
Okay. So again, I want to be clear because this is really fascinating. So one box, I'm pulling 4 channels that I select and put it on my iPad or on my big screen.
Yep, that's exactly what you're doing. Yeah, so what I say is this is like a sports bar TV experience in your own living room. Right? Because now you already have a big screen TV, you can put 4 content projected on your TV. And another thing you can do, when you go to sports bar, typically you can't really hear the audio, right? So, but here you got these things right here, and right now you are listening to that audio, and you can click on this guy, and then the audio will change, right? Yeah.
So I'm controlling everything from my iPad, but I'm seeing it there.
Correct.
And I can choose which audio I want. So
yes.
This is a lot better than picture-in-picture.
Oh yeah. So definitely, it's in a way it's the same as picture-in-picture, but picture-in-picture was really popular when the TV, large screen TV, was 32-inch. What I got here is a 55-inch TV that's split into 4. So I got basically a 4 27-inch TV on the wall right now, right? So that's what I have. and I'm not covering one content with another, so you get a full picture experience of each channel, and you can hear exactly which one you want to listen to.
It's very cool. What kind of pricing is there going to be on this?
So we set a retail price of $179, but we're doing a Kickstarter campaign. We started on Wednesday, so it's been about 4 days. Yeah, so early adopters can get him at $99 and then $129 and $149. Yeah, but eventually when you go to retail, it's a $179.
Do we have a projected ship date for this?
So right now we are gonna set to manufacture in June and do our first shipment in August this year. Yeah.
Looks very interesting. Very interesting. I hope the Kickstarter goes well for you.
Thank you very much.
Other than Kickstarter, what's the website for this?
Our website is www.4setv.com. Yeah.
Thank you so much for the time and for showing it to us.
Thank you.
Folks, we'll have more from Las Vegas and NAB and ShowStoppers. I'm Chuck Joyner. Thanks for watching. Visit MacVoices.com for links, show notes, to subscribe, to connect with Chuck on Twitter, Google+, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and the MacVoices blog. Subscribe to our weekly newsletter, the MacVoices Dispatch, to stay up to date on all the latest MacVoices news from our front page or at MacVoices.com/newsletter. Do more with your Apple tech by subscribing to the free MacVoices magazine on Flipboard by visiting MacVoices.com/magazine. Advertising and sponsorships handled by Backbeat Media at backbeatmedia.com. Bandwidth provided by CashFly at cashfly.com.